What's inside of OTM, ATM and ITM in options trading? Please see our moneyness video and intrinsic value and extrinsic value video before watching this video. Then only you can understand this topic well. As we all know, OTM, out of the money, ATM, at the money, and ITM, in the money, are collectively called the term moneyness. Now let's see what's inside of OTM premiums, ATM premium and ITM premiums so that you can know their worth. All OTM, ATM, and ITM premiums consist of only two things. Those two things are intrinsic value and time value. In other words, worthy value and worthless value. Intrinsic value and time value are not distributed equally within the premiums of OTM, ATM, and ITM. It differs. Let's see how it differs percentage-wise. OTM premiums contain only time value. There is no intrinsic value. OTM equals 0% intrinsic value, worthy value, plus 100% time value, worthless value. ATM premium contains very little intrinsic value and more time value. ATM equals 10% intrinsic value, worthy value, plus 90% time value, worthless value. ITM premiums contain more intrinsic value and very tiny time value. ITM equals 95% intrinsic value, worthy value, plus 5% time value, worthless value. From all three, what have you noted in common? All OTM, ATM, and ITM have time value in common, which means all moneyness have worthless values included, and time value or worthless value is the majority in percentage. Next thing, what have you noted? Only ITM has more intrinsic or worthy value, am I right? What other things have you noted? OTM is completely worthless with only time value, am I right? As of now, you know the worth of each moneyness OTM, ATM, and ITM, and what's inside. Remember it very well, and keep it in mind always. In the next video, we will see which is more profitable to trade in the long run. If you trade with worthy premiums or if you trade with worthless premiums. Please comment on us if you have any doubts. We will be happy to respond and clear your doubts. Thanks for watching and supporting us. See you all in the next video.